obviously we like to wander.
But if we really want to roam, we need some extra storage. No faking fun of my dad jokes. Or mom jokes.
Mom jokes. So stick around. We're going to install a 128-liter roam box on the top of the van. So Vic and I were just chatting.
Sometimes we have to be adults and do things around the house, but then I guess the fun part of adulting this weekend is getting to do some of the prep and adding some new things to the van so that we're ready for our 2.5-week trip in a month.
Yeah, up to Canada, as we said. So we got a roam box for up on top of the van. You can kind of see over there to go up there, just to give us some more storage. This is the 128 liter.
It's the one with the wheels.
Right. So we're gonna put that on. We'll take you through what we do there. We did get, here, don't mind me, get on the hardware. I have to take one of those out.
Oh, it's in the wrapper.
In the wrapper, but so this is basically for we got round bar up there. Saw somebody else use these when they mounted them on. So it gives us a bracket to mount the box on. We're gonna get the bracket set. We're gonna put 3 on each end, so we'll have 6 across just for extra safety and security. We'll get those. We're actually gonna drill through the box. I know, brand new box, gonna drill into it. But that's okay.
Yeah, we'll seal it up.
Yeah, I got some silicone and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, so we got these, as we said, for the round pipe. Gotta get these set up. Basically we have 12 inches we already measured inside the box. So we're gonna get these on, got a little Loctite to put on with these things. So we're gonna do 3 on each bar, give us 6. That should be pretty secure. That's the plan right now. Just wanted to show you what this looked like, so you can see first bracket's on. Vic's working on hers over there.
Slowly.
Slowly, not a race. So you've got 2 more to do on each bar, and then we will bring the roam box up. We're actually gonna put the roam box up. Saw somebody else did something similar on a different idea where they did that, and we're gonna use a little paint marker, mark through on the box so we know where the holes are, and then we'll get those drilled. So we're gonna get these.
And I finished.
Got yours done?
I did.
Yeah. Pro tip too, bring some kneeling pads.
Yep.
Those are the things we actually use on picnic benches.
These are Gorilla.
Yeah.
Gorilla something.
Yeah.
The same people that I think make the sticky tape stuff.
Gorilla glue?
Yeah.
Stuff? Oh, okay.
Or they got gorillas on it. I don't know. Maybe it's not the same company.
Maybe not. Right,
just gorillas.
We're gonna keep working at these, get these up. Listen, anybody else like me, you can't connect both halves of your brain without your tongue? Maybe that's just me.
No, it's not just you.
No, I've seen your dad do it too.
Yep, and he used to make fun of me for doing it.
I know. Little did you know, because he was doing it too.
Yep.
We are checking these for level 2. Got the 3 brackets all lined up. I'm gonna bring the box up next. So we're gonna just mark through these holes here, and we'll take it down and drill it 5/16. So.
Feel like a monkey.
Plenty of paint now.
Oh, look at that. Sunshine come out. You do all yours?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up. Put the lid down so that I can hand it down to you.
Get the 5/16 out. Oh. Hey, you passed the test.
I got power tools.
You passed the other test too the other night. You had the tongs too when you're cooking.
What does that mean?
Did you pass the guy test?
The guy test?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know
You
that
just did the right one there too. When you picked up the drill, what did you just do?
Made sure the battery worked.
No, you did it right. Yeah, and the tongs?
Okay. Now we... Oh, okay.
That's the test.
This the right one?
Yeah.
Just like butter.
Yep.
Not very thick, is it?
No. We'll check and make sure those go all the way through. We said we got silicone too to seal these up.
Was that another test?
No. That's just cleaning the drill bit off all the plastic. I need you for a minute so we can flip this over.
I need to flip it over?
Yeah, I want to check the inside, make sure everything's good to go.
Oh, okay.
Right? See how this looks.
Are there holes inside?
There's holes inside.
Now the question will be, when we put it on the roof,
Yeah.
do we put the holes in the right place?
One way to find out. Gotta get this back up there. So I'll show what we're doing before we do that though. So we saw the top brackets, silicone. Just got washers for each side. Pretty standard, and then just nylock nuts to go through and put them down.
Yep. We need the wrenches and the ratchets.
Yep, so we'll go get that stuff and then we'll get up on the roof.
Okay, we're gonna have to switch. There's just very small spaces to place my feet.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Let's dive down the far end.
I gotta silicone them all up first.
Okay.
Last one bolt.
Last one bolt. Oh, we do have a lid organizer. Ow, that's only my elbow. That's coming in. It's made to fit in there. You can see they already have like the
little screw holes.
Already set, so.
Huh.
Cool. All right. That it?
Yep, let me close her up.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Watch your fingers.
Those are some heavy duty hinges.
They are. I want to tilt you up here. I'm sorry for all the stuff. Yeah, I'll be able to do those. You know the one thing I want to do?
What?
I'll take the straps out.
Oh, yeah, because we don't really need those up here.
No. You can keep them in the lid organizer. Any idea? I think
It's easy peasy.
You been doing it?
Ta-da! Yeah, I know, I'm bleeding.
Yep. It's a real job now.
Do I get workers' comp?
Yeah. Take it up with the boss lady. See what she says.
You got that?
Yep, we're just done doing the last one. Obviously we don't need these things. Yeah, let's close it up then. Get you bandaged. Yeah, not bad. How makes the van we just measured? 11 feet.
Yeah, it's pretty tall.
Yeah.
Make a lot more space.
Yep.
Now I can get more stuff.
Yeah.
No?
I didn't say no. We're gonna see if we need another one, but at least gives us one for now. All right.
One more than we had.
It does. And then I think, yeah, all right, so that project's done. I was upstairs editing this video and realized we never wrapped up. So figured I'd come out, got the roam box installed, as he said. Really looking forward to that, particularly as we get ready for our trip up to the Canadian Maritimes, not too far away in the near distant future. So if you enjoy this, love you hit the subscribe button, really help out the channel. Give us a thumbs up, ring the bell so you get notified of any future videos. And speaking of future videos, got more work to do, so we get this van ready to hit the road on our big adventure, maybe an outdoor shower. So yeah, you want to stay tuned. Got some of those coming up next week. See you then.
It's time for me